Welcome back to Bytesice. Today we're going to be going over the first tool that I made, which is going to be part of the developer tools section, and it's a JSON formatter. So go into the functionality. So basically, you can upload your JSON code, and it formats it into nice, neat text. So say I have this jumbled text for my JSON, and I want to format it to nice, clean JSON. Perfectly done. It also can take the first one and make it condensed for like files you won't read, or you understand. There's also a clear button. You can copy the output. There's a message to errors. So if there's an error in here, like if I remove the quote, it would tell me the error where it is. That's pretty useful. And yeah, that's the whole page. Moving to the code, there's a header for this section up here. It's a tool card as the box with the grid. The grid is 2 cards, this first and the second card. The panel, each panel in this grid. So the first panel is this panel. Got a text area and a label, same with this one. And then the control section with all the buttons. Moving to the JavaScript, we have event listeners for all the buttons. A status message, which sets the value of this message and its styling with this, which is the success and error classes. And you have the actual formatting function, which uses the .stringify method. It's native to JavaScript because JSON is based off of JavaScript notation, JavaScript object notation. So it uses that method. I have a variable to determine whether it's organized or condensed. Then there's other messages in here. Then we have the event listeners for the format and minify buttons, respectively. There's a copy paste button, which just sets the clipboard to the output value through this statement. Then you have the clear button, which just empties the boxes, sets their text values to 0. And then finally the sample button, which just sets the input value to a set text and then formats it. And yeah. Oh, yeah, sorry, CSS. This is this tool button up here. There's error and success classes for the color of this button and the button, the text itself. There's some hovering and styling for buttons down here, covers and stuff. Controls in general. Each text area has its own fonts and colors and specifications that I've fine-tuned for these boxes. And the panels themselves have their own colors and organization. But there's a phone thing for mobile devices. The grid itself and the tool cards that I use to make this look clean. The headers, coloring, margins and stuff. And then all the colors up here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you when I make the next project.